So if you want to add in borders in pictures in GIMP, then what you can do is you can go around onto the filters menu right here. And then once you do that, you need to go around over here onto the decor section, just like this. So once you go around onto that, then you can see that add border is an option where you have the option add a border around an image. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and change around the border size, as you can see right here. Like you can change around the X size and the Y size right here, and even go around and choose the color as you like. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around right here, choose, let's say, purple right here, then that is the border size that you have right here. Let me just go around, press OK, and this is what you have. And you can change around the delta color value, and once you're happy with this setting right here, you can simply go around and press OK, and the border is applied. And you can see that this is the border, and there's some shadow effect right here, just like this as well. Of course, you can go around and add in multiple borders as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here onto let's say like decor right here, and then go to border, I can go around and select another color as I wish right here, just like this. And let me just go around, change around the border size now, and press OK right here, just like this. And then what happens is that another border is actually added in, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can add in border inside of the images that you have opened up in GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.